Hi, this is Tony from Organic Gardening Blueprint for Mastery. Just a little update on the garden here just to show what's going on. We're starting to get some action here. We're getting Persian cucumbers and I'm starting to get tomatoes and I'm really stoked. I've gotten lots of green beans. Here's some, we call this garden candy. It's just a cherry tomato that we put while we're picking other stuff. We munch on that, and we've got some red starting to happen there. And let's see, we've got the basil. Been making all kinds of pesto. Gonna make pesto real soon, probably again this week because I've got so much of it. And got celery here. It's going to seed. I better make a soup with it pretty soon. That's what I like to do with my celery. These are green beans. Here's some really big boys. These are like 2-pound fruits each. And this over here on the ladder is lemon cucumbers. They're starting to go. We got a few of those already. I've got my hot pepper, my lemon drop, some oregano, more tomatoes. I've got a half Italian wife. She loves her tomatoes. And you know, they're all over the place here. And this is going to be just the first harvest coming up. This is the end of June, and it's just going to be the first harvest. I get 2 harvests typically out of my garden. My garden's not that big, but we do a lot with it, and we get a lot of good stuff. I've been getting lots of lettuce over here, and we got shallots there, and this is we're trying to get another cutting to grow. We'll see if that grows. If that doesn't grow, I've got 3 or 4 more that are ready to go. Those are cuttings. You can actually take a cutting of a tomato and put it in water and it'll get roots. And so what I do is I take some of these branches that are hanging outside of the cage and I'll snip them and I'll try to start a plant. They don't all work out, but hey, it's free plant and it makes your garden ready for harvest number 2. All these tomatoes that you see will give me 2 harvests. I get double yields. We will can 30 quarts of tomatoes as well as eat as much tomatoes as possible, and hand out as much as we want to. Got some herbs over here. I've got my avocado. Anyway, I'm just sharing just to let you know that my results are for real. There's a serrano pepper right there. There's some pretty flowers just for some color. We've got parsley right there. And this big bad boy here is horseradish. Man, that stuff is good. When you dig up the root and you shred it, it is unreal. And this right here is a green onion in front of us. Yeah, we do a lot in a little space. We're having a good time here. Anyway, I'm going to sign off for now, and we'll see if my cutting worked. If not, I've got several others over there going that I can use. And as soon as this lettuce is almost died out, this is almost at the end. I've been hitting off it left and right. When that goes out, I'll put fresh soils and I'll go ahead and do another lettuce for the fall or the second half of the summer. Anyway, this is my paid part of the course. I give everything in detail, my actual recipe. This looks the same every summer. I mean, I get this year after year after year. So if you're interested, check out the paid product. If not, enjoy the free stuff. There's a lot of good free stuff. Anyway, this is Tony, and I'll say goodbye for now. Ciao. Have a great summer and a nice 4th of July.